Hi everyone. Today's topic is careers in chemical engineering. We are going to see about the chemical engineering careers which you can choose after completing the chemical engineering degree. So I'm a chemical engineer. So we solve problems you don't know you have in ways you can't understand. So chemical engineers work with groundbreaking technologies to enhance the quality of people's lives in areas such as environmental protection, the management of resources, and controlling health and safety. So, chemical engineering is one of the emerging careers that deal with designing and supervision of chemical reactions in an industry for the purpose of energy production or human development. So these are some of the chemical engineering jobs which you can join after completing the chemical engineering degree. So some of the titles are design engineer, development engineer, environmental engineer, production engineer, or you can go for as quality control